In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Openlitespeed and WordPress on DigitalOcean in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step of this quick and straightforward process, ensuring that you have a WordPress site up and running in no time. First, you'll need to log into your DigitalOcean dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage your droplets, which are essentially virtual servers. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel and locate the option labeled Droplets. Click on this and then proceed to Create Droplets. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be setting up the server that will host your WordPress site. Next, it's time to select your data center region. Choosing a region close to you or your target audience can help improve load times for your website visitors. DigitalOcean offers several options, so pick the one that best suits your needs. Now, navigate to the Marketplace tab. This section is packed with pre-configured one-click apps that can save you a ton of time. In the search bar within the Marketplace, type in Openlitespeed WordPress and hit Enter. This package includes everything you need to get WordPress running smoothly on the efficient Openlitespeed server. Once you've found the Openlitespeed WordPress option, it's time to choose an authentication method for securing your server. You have two options here, using an SSH key or a password. An SSH key is generally more secure, but for simplicity's sake, you can opt for a password if you're more comfortable with that. Make sure whatever method you choose, you store it safely. After you've set up your authentication method, click on Create Droplet. DigitalOcean will now work its magic to create your droplet based on the settings you've selected. Sit back for a moment. You'll need to be patient and wait a few minutes while the setup process completes. With the droplet set up, your next task is to note down the droplet's IP address. This IP address is crucial as it's your direct link to the server. Copy it carefully because you'll use it to access your WordPress setup page. Open up a web browser and paste the copied IP address into the address bar. Hit Enter and you'll be taken directly to the WordPress setup page. This indicates that everything is set up correctly on the server side and you're ready to configure WordPress. Finally, complete the WordPress installation by filling in the required details. You'll need to enter a site title, create an admin username, set a password, and provide an email address. Ensure your information is accurate and the password is strong to keep your site secure. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations. Your Openlitespeed server with WordPress is now up and running, poised to deliver an excellent web experience. Explore the possibilities and start building your site today. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Tune in next time for more digital insights and tutorials.